Good day, everyone. I am Ginal G. Alcaide from BSSE 2103. So, here are some short introduction about the research on the engineering geological conditions of a live sanitary landfill site in Changsha City. So, for the abstract, this abstract summarizes research on the engineering geological conditions of a proposed sanitary landfill site in Changsha, China. This study assesses site suitability, identifies potential challenges, and proposes design recommendations for a safe and sustainable landfill. This research investigates the engineering geological conditions of a proposed live sanitary landfill site in Changsha City. This study areas geotechnical properties including soil composition, stratigraphy, groundwater levels, and seismic activity are analyzed to assess its sustainability for landfill development. Detailed field investigations, laboratory testing, and numerical modeling are employed to evaluate the potential for settlement, slope instability, and leachate migration. The findings provide crucial information for designing a stable and environmentally sound landfill, minimizing potential risk to the surrounding environment and public health. Recommendations for optimal landfill design and construction practices are presented, considering the specific engineering geological characteristic of the site. The research contributes to sustainable waste management practices and responsible land development in Changsha City. So, let's move on with the introduction. Introduction: the responsible and sustainable management of municipal solid waste, or MSW, is a critical concern for urban areas worldwide. Landfilling, while a common method of waste disposal, demands careful consideration of environmental and geotechnical factors to ensure long-term stability and minimize potential risk. This research focuses on the engineering geological conditions of a proposed live sanitary landfill site in Changsha City, China, a rapidly growing metropolis facing increasing waste generation. This study aims to provide a comprehensive assessment of the site's suitability for landfill development. The research will contribute to a better understanding of the engineering geological challenges associated with landfill development in urban areas. It will also provide practical guidelines for designing and constructing landfills that are both safe and environmentally sustainable. The research findings will provide valuable insights for the first one, developing a safe and environmentally sound landfill design. Ensuring the long-term stability of the landfill and minimizing the risk of leachate migration and groundwater contamination. And the second one is optimizing landfill construction practices. Selecting appropriate construction materials and methods to minimize settlement, slope instability, and other potential problems. The third one is promoting sustainable waste management practices, contributing to responsible land development and environmental protection in Changsha City. So let's move on with the conclusion. This research provides a comprehensive assessment of the engineering geological conditions of a proposed life sanitary landfill site in Changsha City. This study reveals that the site possesses favorable geological characteristics for landfill development, but also identifies potential challenges that require careful consideration in design and construction. So, I have here a key findings. The first one is favorable geological conditions. The site exhibits a relatively stable geological foundation with minimal seismic activity. The presence of suitable soil materials for liner construction and the depth of the groundwater table suggest that a safe and environmentally sound landfill can be developed. The second one is potential challenges. This study highlights the need for careful consideration of potential risks, including settlement, slope stability, and leachate migration. The presence of potentially permeable zones and the need for effective drainage systems require detailed geotechnical analysis and appropriate design measures. The third one is recommendations for design and construction. The research recommends the use of multi-layered linear system, including compacted day liners and geosynthetic clay liners to minimize leachate migration and ensure long-term stability. Appropriate slope design, drainage system, and monitoring protocols are crucial for mitigating potential risk.